What is up, guys? I know it's been a minute, but I am so happy to be back and filming. Before we start this video, I want to note two things. My lighting is horrible right now. It is so dark outside that it is like almost near pitch black in my room, and I've been out in the rain all day, so let's excuse this hair. I've been running errands and doing some recon to find the product I'm going to talk to you guys about today. So we have done it again, people. We have reduped the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. When the first one came out, I duped that one and it was like spot on and perfect, and you guys loved it. So I found another dupe for the new one, the Diamond Milk, which is this one right here. So this is the dupe I have. This guy right here, and it is a fraction of the cost. So the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb is $18 and this guy is only $7, and he's usually on sale as well. So this is going to be an amazing steal. So let's just jump into it. Like I said earlier, I was doing some recon. I beelined it to Sephora in the mall to go check out and compare this gloss directly next to the one in Sephora. I'm going to pop on the screen somewhere over here of some side-by-side pictures that I took while I was in Sephora. On the top here we have the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, and on the bottom is the dupe that I found, which is the NYX Lingerie Shimmer Lip Gloss, which looks like this. Guys, they are so freaking similar, and I had a feeling that they were going to be perfect before I even got there, but this just confirmed that for me. The Fenty Beauty one, I will say, is a little bit more of like, just a tad bit more of a liquidy consistency. It's just like a little bit more thinner, but honestly, I could hardly tell the difference between the two. Even in different lighting, I'll show you some lighting like in the store, and then one in natural day lighting, and then I'm also going to include a little video for you guys so you guys can see that and like see it in action, how it reflects light. They both reflect very similarly. They have a lot of the same reflex inside of them, if not pretty much the exact same reflex inside of them. They both smell freaking amazing. The Fenty Beauty one smells great, I'll give it that. It smells really good. But actually so does the NYX one. The NYX one has more of like a vanilla scent, and it smells delicious, kind of like cupcakes. I kind of forget the scent that the Fenty Beauty one had, if I'm trying to remember. It was a little bit more like potent, I think, but it was kind of along the lines of a similar smell. Both smell delicious. So I clearly didn't purchase the Fenty Beauty one just because it was kind of going to be a bit of a waste of my money to purchase both, when the next one I have is essentially the same exact thing. So I'm just going to apply this one to my lips today so you guys can get a gist of what this one looks like on the lips. There's a ton of other videos out there showing the Fenty Beauty one on the lips. You can go ahead and compare mine to theirs. Let's just toss this guy on and let's see what it looks like. Now, I normally don't wear these types of colors. Just these like frosty gloss shades aren't really my jam, but I did try this one on earlier and it looks, I didn't hate it. I didn't hate it. Let me zoom you guys in. So this is what it looks like. Just a reflective gloss. I will say it was kind of hard to actually dupe the Fenty Beauty one. I looked at a ton of dupes and this was definitely the closest that I found. So I will say that the Fenty Beauty one is a pretty unique gloss, even though it seems kind of basic in a sense of it just being like a clear shimmery gloss. It is kind of hard to dupe, but this is what it looks like. Nothing crazy, but if you are someone who is really into that type of gloss and you want to save a few bucks, then this is definitely a good option. I would totally check it out. So what I'll do is I'll link both in the description box for you guys to have easy access to them and check them both out and compare for yourself. But that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this dupe, and if you want more, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe before you leave, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!